Grishma and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit some trendy effects onto your photo. I've seen a lot of famous bloggers do this and I find it very creative and very interesting, and I'm going to show you guys how you can transform your photos using this trendy effects that you can edit on your phone itself. So without further ado, let's get started in the video. Okay, so the first effect that I'm going to show you is this line effect that I've seen all over internet, and this recently becoming very popular. This is very easy to edit, and there's this one app that you only need to make this effect work, and that app is PicsArt. It's a very versatile app and I absolutely love the app. It has so many interesting effects and interesting features that you can use to transform your image totally. So I'm going to show you how you can do it very quickly. So first open up PicsArt and then upload your image onto it. So moving forward, I have my photo imported onto PicsArt. Then we're going to go to effects, and there's the sketch effect, and there you can see there are a lot of these line effects. Now as you see, some of them have try on that. For that you have to specially buy those, like you have to buy a special pack for PicsArt, and if you want to use a free one, that is the first one. Just click on that. Taking a lot of time to load. I think I have an internet issue. Okay, so I'm back and I have my line effect on. As you can see, it does require internet connection and my internet was behaving funny at this time. So yeah, then you can click on that sketch effect again, and then you can adjust where you want to position that line effect onto, and you can just play along and see what works best for you. And you can even change the black and white thing, and you can change how thicker you want the line to be or how thinner you want it to be. You can also change the line color. Like for here you can see it is red now. You can change it to whatever color you like. There are a lot of color options to choose from, and also there is this different patterns also that you can choose from. I'll just keep it white, the basic one, and that's it. You can go ahead and save it. And here you see it is that easy to apply this line effect. You just need to click on 2 or 3 buttons and that's it. You can just go on next, and this is advertise. Okay, you can go on next and save it and download the photo, and it gets saved onto your gallery, from where you can upload it to your Instagram, make it your Facebook profile, or anywhere you want. So the next photo trendy effect is this swirl effect that also I've seen all over Instagram. This makes the photo look very creative, if I could say so, and I really like this effect. And again, this is very easy to recreate onto your photos. So the app again that we are going to use is PicsArt. As I mentioned, that this is like a very versatile app. You can just get very creative with how you want to use this app in order to create some really nice effects. So I'm going to start editing the photo. So I'm again going to open PicsArt and then choose the image that you want to edit for the swirl effect. So basically what I suggest is that vertical photo, the effect would look better on such type of photo. So I have this one. This is taken from a lower angle as well, so it makes a swirl effect really stand out. And then I'm going to go to sticker. So from sticker you can then go to search and then type in swirl word onto the search, and you can see there are a lot of effects to choose from, like lot of swirl stickers to choose from, and select whichever you like the most. I'm gonna select this one. You need like an active internet connection for this one, so make sure that you have one which is properly working, and I'm gonna place it wherever I want. Now after you have placed the sticker on your photo, then go on to the eraser tool above, and then you can start erase every other swirl. I'll show you what I mean by that. You can erase this part, and then you keep the other one and then erase the next one. Keep this one, erase the other one. You can see the blend and all option to make it pop, to make it blend onto the screen, to make it black and white, anything you can choose from, and you can add shadows if you want, and that's it. Click on apply, and that's how easy it is to add this swirl effect. Then next go save it, download it, and that's it. That is so easy, so simple to apply this swirl effect onto your photos. So next effect that I'm gonna apply is this glitter effect. Now I was previously very curious like how do people actually create this glitter effect. I thought it's like an Instagram story filter, because we do have a story filter on Instagram which gives like a glitter effect, but it is not. And some people do use Photoshop for it, but we are not gonna use. We are gonna use a mobile app which is PicsArt. I'm gonna open PicsArt and start editing my picture. Okay, so upload the image that you like, that you want that glitter effect to be on. So I'm gonna choose this photo of mine to have that glitter effect, and then I'm gonna go to stickers and then search for glitter. And as you can see, there are a lot of stickers to choose from, and choose whichever you like the most. Basically choose that has like glitter all over it. I think this one looks good. It's like a diamond-y kind of thing. Okay, so what you need to do is like place it all over the part where you want the glitter to be, and then erase everything. Okay, now that you have erased everything, then you go on to the brush button and start coloring wherever you want the glitter to be. This process is gonna take some while. So as you can see, I've covered all with this glitter effect, and just go into the details as well to make it really nice. And if there is a mistake, you can always rub it and start again over that part. And then I'm going to go to opacity and then decrease it or increase it if you want, and then just click on apply, and there you have your glitter effect on, and then save it. This is like a demo of whatever you feel like you can do it. Like you can get however creative you want with this effect, and you can use even different glitter effects. There are a lot of variety to choose from, so use whichever you like the most to glitterify everything. So next is this outline effect, where people outline themselves, like their photo is outlined, and we're gonna do it to our photo as well. I'm gonna show it how. Open PicsArt and then select the photo that you want the outline to be. Just import it onto PicsArt. I'm gonna select this photo. Okay, this is a photo. God, I miss traveling. Okay, so this is a photo of me, and then we're gonna go to brushes, and you need like a good internet connection for this one as well. And there are these brush strokes that you have that you can select, and then you can like choose the size and the color as well. Go all over myself. You need like a steady hand for this. So that is how you can do it. It's very easy, very simple. Again, this is like a demo that I wanted to show you. You can use it according to your photo and get creative with it, with what you want, what you like. And yeah, that's about it. That was again very easy. You just need a steady hand to do it. That's it. So yeah, that's how you can do the line effect as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that this was helpful for you. This is very easy, just you need a hang of it on how you can edit your photos. It's super easy, just one app to create these amazing filters. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this one, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I post videos every Wednesday, so make sure to hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!